What is going on, my Atomic Auto Works friends? Today we're talking about thread color and thread size. For all of our local customers, it's easy for you because you could come in, look at the threads, see it, touch it, taste it, feel it, and know exactly what you want. If you're not local, we get it, it's harder to kind of come up with some of those decisions. We basically have two threads that we go with. We go with a thinner thread and a thicker thread. We use a lot of marine grade threads because they are actually better for UV and a lot stronger. Some of these crazy color stuff we're using are automotive grade threads, so we're really kind of teetering on it when we are doing some custom stuff on motorcycles where you see a lot of sunlight and a lot of exterior weather. So far we've been very lucky, but there is the possibility that this stuff will fade over time because the colors are very vibrant, and seeing as we don't make the thread, we just buy it. Everybody now wants these really great colors. I mean, you can see some of these colors behind me are like purples and blues and aquas and yellows and greens and just really vibrant colors that really pop. So we kind of have to bend the rules a little bit. If we want it to be cool and creative and have something different, we have to know that there's a possibility of down the road it could fade a little bit. But for now, it's really cool and we love doing it. So we always try to tell people either do the thin thread or the thick thread. If you're conservative and you don't like it bold and in your face, you could do the thin thread. Some people that are doing a lot of stitch work on a seat go for the thin thread because by having a lot more of it, the colors will show better, but it won't be too much. Whereas sometimes when you start doing the heavier thread and you start doing double diamonds and a lot of crazy stitch work, it could be a little bit overpowering for some people. However, if you like it wild, it is wild. I actually love doing the thicker thread. I don't per se like doing a lot of the stitch work on it, but just enough accents that really make it pop and bring out that color. And you know, what I find that I love is sometimes you look at like a motorcycle when we're doing a motorcycle seat, and you might have a bike with like a few colors on it and one really faint color in the graphics. You could actually take that faint color sometimes and put it into your seat, and it'll bring that graphic color out, and something that might have seemed like just an overlook or an overshadow is now actually a really cool feature of the bike. So there's always the possibility of picking those colors, the odd colors, and bring them into your seat to incorporate it and bring that into your entire feel of your bike. So hopefully this helps a little bit with the threads. Again, we use a thin one and a thick one. It's up to you. And we have great color combinations possible. So please, if you're interested in it, make sure to go to AtomicAutoWorks.com. Check out some of our work. If you want to have a custom seat made, shoot us an email. If you're looking for car interior, we're here. Whatever you need. Thanks a lot.